Hello everybody, my name is Samantha and today I'm going to be showing you my portfolio that I created using Canva. This is the home page or the landing page that you're looking at now. At the top here are the different menu options that you can look through. So this would be my home page, an about me page, my teaching statement, my instructional technology page, lesson plans I've created, and my resume. So if you go to the about me page, this is all the information about who I am as a person, my experience, and some of my hobbies. My teaching statement is going to be what I believe as a teacher, and I have this cute little picture here to represent that I believe in students. My information technology page has 15 different things I have created. You can either click on the image itself to go to that page, or you can click on the button below and it will also bring you to that page. That goes for every single one of my different pages. So again, you click that one, it brings you there, or if you click the image as well. Now this is my lesson plans. This one, if you click it here, this is my cooperative lesson plan and a template of it, and my direct lesson plan. If you click on the top, it will bring you to an actual PDF of my lesson plan. And here is also my resume as well. There is a picture of my resume that you can view, or if you click on the button here, it will also bring you to a PDF file of it as well. And again, if you want to go to any back, relook at anything, you just click on the tabs and it'll bring you right back.